I've come to the KnowBe4 conference today to really keep up to date with what's happening with KnowBe4. They're a key partner for us, and we want to understand what the new developments are and how the technology is changing.
It's a fantastic opportunity to speak to like-minded people that utilise KnowBe4 to help with human risk management. It's also a great opportunity to see the roadmap, the exciting features that are coming out, and how we can enhance the service we're delivering to our customers.
The other purpose is I wanted to meet a lot of colleagues here, a lot of good partners, other partners working here, working with KnowBe4 in Germany.
It's our first time we come here, and yes, just to get in contact with the guys from Germany, because we didn't see them in person. Also to get information about the timeline of new products and what's the vision for the next years.
I think my favourite piece of the conference so far is the product roadmap. Understanding the evolution of KnowBe4 and the approach to how you're going to be securing the agents moving forwards.
The content of the sessions were obviously pretty much AI based, but that's good because it's right around the corner for every market, and that's important to get ahead of that because we want to be very helpful for our customers, and if you don't get in touch with that now, maybe you will left behind.
It was really exciting to getting in touch with all the specialists and all the representatives in a smaller group, just from partner to partner.
It's always great to come to these events because we work with a lot of partners, and to meet people that utilise KnowBe4 and sell KnowBe4 and use it to help reduce human risk. It's great to get new ideas, new ways of working, and what's the latest and greatest.